Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to search for messages on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on one of your chats. Tap on the eye icon at the top right of your screen. Scroll down to More Actions and tap on Search in Conversation. Type in a word that you're looking for in the conversation. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now you will see all the text messages with the words you have just typed in. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you can see all the text messages that has taken place before and after the searched message. Tap on the arrow at the top left of your screen. This will take you back to the list of searched results. And that's it. This is how you search for messages on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.